And one more quick rule that I will create. This is for the merchants. So let's say we will say merchants, okay, and then we'll say restrictions on merchants. Okay, I'm going through all this so that you get a complete idea on this one. Okay, some restrictions on merchants. User type is merchant. Okay, now, okay, so as a creditor he can get any amount of money. Okay, okay, let's assume, okay, as a debitor he can pay any amount of money. Okay, but as a creditor, let's say we want to impose some restrictions. Okay, so instead of saying, you know, balance, you could have a no restrictions on balance, no restrictions on per transaction, but total transactions as a credit, okay, let's say it has to be less than 100,000, okay, per day. Okay, per day it has to be less than 100,000. Okay, he cannot do a business more than 100,000, or he cannot take Paytm payments more than 100,000. Okay, that is the restriction you wanted to put. But still, if he wants to, you know, overcome, if he wants to break the rule, we will allow them, but with a fee of, you know, 1,000 rupees, let's say. Okay, on a given day he cannot do more business than 100,000, but in case if he wants to break the rule, he can break the rule because he set true, but we will charge him 100 rupees, and the rule is for tomorrow to whatever the date. Okay, and this rule will be applied every day. Okay, like this we can apply the rules on the merchants as well. Okay, now in the next video we'll try to understand these options that there are. You know, I cannot give different case studies, explain each and everything. I'll go through each and every option which is there, so that now you can play around more on this one. Okay, and by the way, once you apply this, once you understand these rules well, other things are very, very basic and simple. It becomes easy. So in the next videos I'll explain about all these options. Then after the subsequent videos I'll create more videos to understand these other options.